Like, share, bell, follow.
We have breaking news tonight. New details that we have just confirmed. News Nation is learning that Kaylee Conglaves' injuries were significantly more brutal than her best friend Maddies' injuries, which may end up being a very, very important piece of evidence when it comes to determining who the target was in this attack. I have learned Kaylee and Maddie were in an upstairs room in the house, so the killer had to go specifically upstairs to get to them. And again, that new information just confirmed that Kaylee's injuries were, quote, significantly more brutal.
Like, share, bell, follow.